New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 1965 Shelby Cobra by Factory 5. The specific example is finished in Guardsman Blue exterior paint with the white exterior striping and a black leather interior. This car was built in 2001, but was given a fresh drivetrain in 2018 using a 347 450 horsepower SBF Stroker Crate Engine mated to a 650 TKO 5-speed manual transmission that continues and carries power to an 8.8 3.73 rear end. Right around 5,800 miles on the odometer for this drivetrain, so a lightly used example in a great classic Shelby color combination here. Power brakes are present on this example, as well as new tires and a new battery. Also present is in front anti-sway bar, tubular arms, and coil shocks all around. That describes the suspension setup for this example. A Holley 750 CFM Ultra HP carburetor is also present and installed, along with an MSD Pro-Billet Distributor. Power output on this car from a dyno result actually shows right around 470 horsepower, so this is a great car to go hooning around in a little bit. Simpson 4-point safety harnesses are present for the driver and passenger in this example. Also equipped is the nice wood-rimmed steering wheel there, a classic touch harking back to historical Shelby design. A dash-mounted rearview mirror and, of course, the driver's side view mirror also present. This car is also accompanied by a car cover, a spare pedal cover, some spare belts and filters, as well as a few other parts and accessories, along with 3 sets of keys. And as always, we'll get a startup clip and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.